guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Y'all, let's do another calendar page craft. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are deciding to spend a portion of your day with me. And a big welcome to all of my new subscribers, and a big old thank you to my monthly club members and to those of you who have bought me a cup of coffee, because I really do appreciate that above and beyond support. As most of you know, we've been working with calendar pages, and this particular calendar page craft idea from Chris Boston remains one of my favorites. So today we're going to make something that will serve as a true complement to this type of a project. So in this envelope is what I'm talking about, and I think that you guys are going to love it. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's that envelope that I'm talking about. You can see that I have the outside dressed with balloons, but this is one of those projects that you can make for any season, any reason, any gender. So what I have on the inside is I've taken one of the calendar pages and just followed that same concept from the gift bag. And I've made a birthday card using the calendar. So I'm going to open this so that you can see the inside. And this is just one of those personalized handmade cards that people love to receive. And this is going to mean so much because it truly is one of the most personalized ways that you can say happy birthday to someone, because you're taking a calendar, notating their birth month as well as the day, and you are making that your card. So super easy to make. All we need is a calendar page, 2 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock, and then I have a piece of white cardstock that measures 4 3/4 by 8 1/4. So what I am doing is I am going to take May 2022, and I have that calendar page removed, and I am going to put mine and my Xyron Creatopia. Now, if you don't have a Xyron Creatopia, you can use your spray adhesive, or you can tape the back of this, or you can place the tape on the actual cardstock itself. But this machine is no longer sold on the market. The cartridges for it are. From time to time, you are able to find these for sale on eBay and on Craigslist. So check periodically for the Xyron Creatopia. You might be able to score one because, guys, this is a great machine for applying adhesive to items that are 12 inches wide and up to 1/8 of an inch in thickness. So on the side here, we have a little arm that serves as a crank. I'm turning it and it's feeding that through. And then right here we have a cutter. I'm just going to trim and get my piece. And so then we'll have this thin strip that we need to peel away. It's going to be sticky, so you really won't be able to do much with this. So I'm going to toss it. Then I'll take my big old spatula, go over the back to make sure that I have nice adhesive coverage. And now I can peel away that backer sheet. And I don't know if you can see that sheen, but this is very sticky now. So now I can take this and I'm just going to place it down, and I'm actually trying to place it down fairly straight. It won't be perfect. And then I'll flip this over so that I can smooth it down from the back side, and I will smooth again from the front. Now I'm going to take this and put it in my trimmer. Hopefully I've gotten it fairly straight so that when I start trimming, I'll have nice edges. And then I'm going to take this piece, and when I trim, I am going to trim away this bottom part here because I don't want it. So I'm lining it up so I can trim that away. I only want the dates on this particular project. And then I'm going to come to this side and trim. And then I'll trim here at the top. So basically what I did was I went around and I cleaned it up a little bit to try to make everything nice, even, and smooth. And now my card is 11 by 9 7/8. On the 11-inch side, we're going to score this in half at 5.5. And I'll fold and burnish this card, and you can see that we have some of the dates on the front and some of the dates on the back. And now I'm going to take my piece that measures 4 3/4 by 8 1/4, and I'm going to mount it to the inside of the card. So I'll take this piece and I'm going to place it down right there. And I am going to make this more of a masculine card, and I'm going to save this card for next year because Mike's birthday is on May 22nd. May 22nd falls on the back side of this card, so this is going to be a great way for me to show you guys how I would actually decorate and notate that his birthday is on here. So I went to my handy dandy sticker binder, and I am going to use these stickers to decorate this awesome card for Mike. So Mike's birthday is on May 22nd, and that will fall on a Sunday in 2022. And on the back side of my card, that is where the date happens to fall. So I'm going to circle the 22nd. Then I'm going to take one of my little Dollar Tree stickers because I do want to put some birthday balloons right there on the 22nd. All right, so now that we have our date circled, I have my balloons on the back side. So of course, when Mike opens this card, he won't see the 22nd on the front, and he'll just flip it over and see the 22nd on the back. So don't let where the date falls throw you on this, because you can still do this project even if the date is on the back side. So I'm going to open this and we're going to go ahead and decorate the inside. And I'm going to take this one that says, I heard it was your birthday. And I'm placing it on the white space where I'm going to be writing my message. And then over here, I'm going to put this little message that simply says, because it's your birthday. What I'm going to do is I am just going to take this little star, put it right there. So we have a nice little inside to our masculine card. Then on the outside, I have this 3 by 3 square that I am going to put on the front of my card. And I think I'm going to put it down just like this. And then I want to find a sticker that I can put on top. And I think I'm going to go with this one that says Party Animal. But before I put it down, I'm going to go ahead and just add some tape. So now I'm going to take it and just place that right there. And then I'll take Party Animal and we're going to place it right there. So now we have a sweet card, and I really am in love with these calendar pages because they personalize everything. So there's my date. Can write my message on the inside, and the outside looks like it's for a celebration. So now we need an envelope for this. So I am going to bring in my 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. We're going to score at 1 3/8 on two sides. So opposite each other, we're scoring at 1 3/8. And then we'll rotate it. And then we're going to score at 5 1/2. And then we're going to score at 11 1/4. So we're scoring at 5 1/2 and at 11 1/4. Then we're going to fold and burnish all of our scores. So here in the US, this is a mailable envelope. You might need to put some additional postage on it, but you can mail this through the USPS. So what we're going to do is we are going to make some cuts in this direction and this direction on all four sides. So I'm going to go up to that intersecting point. I'm going to cut in at a slight angle, in at a slight angle here. I'll go to this intersecting point and do the same. And we'll do the same over here. And let's do our final one. Fold up and seal. So I am going to use my tape runner, add some tape to this edge, add some tape to this edge. Then I can take this piece, bring it up, get it nice and stuck. And I think what I'm going to put down, I like this that says, "Oh, happy day." It sort of ties in with the color of the card, and it's not too much for that masculine card look. So there we have our envelope. You're mailing this, you just put your to address here and your return address here, and of course your postage here. So there is our sweet little envelope. I'll bring my card back in. We can take the card and put it in the envelope. We can seal the envelope, and you are able to mail this if you want. I'm going to take my card out of the envelope so that we're able to see this wonderful celebratory goodness. We have the card with the date on the front, and we have a card with the date on the back. And then for both, we have beautifully coordinated envelopes. So I'll open these so that you can see how we're able to take those calendar pages, mount them to some cardstock, and then treat them just as we would any other card that we wanted to make. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed yet another craft using calendar pages and finding ways to personalize any occasion. If you have liked this project, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.